how to fix World app loading problem. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, I suggest closing the World app altogether and uninstalling it. It's going to save your info, so don't worry about it. You just want to press and hold on to it and remove the app. Right here, we will click on delete and just confirm the deletion. Now, once you have done this, you can go back into your Android store or the iOS store, and you just want to search for World, like so. And here you will see, okay, you can type World app and you want to reinstall the application. So we're just going to press on it and this is going to reinstall it. Now, once you reinstall the application, this should fix the issue. Now, if it's still loading and you're experiencing issues, try switching your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. And if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is restarting your device. You want to turn off your device and then turn it back on, and that should hopefully resolve the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.